Hello, students and parents. This is Miss Moore, and you are watching day 1 of this week's daily lesson videos. Today we are starting our unit on shapes, and you have been provided a cheat sheet for review as well as definitions for review, which I recommend going over before you start today's activity on your own. For today's activity, you've also been provided a Polygon cutouts for Monday sheet where you will be cutting out the different shapes to use to create new shapes. Because today we are talking about recognizing and creating two-dimensional shapes. For this lesson, we're going to talk about two definitions. We're going to talk about sides, which are a line segment that is connected to another line segment that form a two-dimensional shape. So for example, we have a two-dimensional shape here, and the lines, each of these line segments where one starts and one ends is called a side. This shape has 4 sides. The other vocabulary word we're going to go over for today is vertex. A vertex is the point where the sides of a polygon meet. So if we have a polygon or a shape, such as this rectangle, the point where the sides meet would be the vertex. This shape, or this polygon, has 4 vertices. Let's get started on today's activity. For today's activity, we're going to be recognizing and creating two-dimensional shapes. So let's get started. Number 1 says, how can you use 5 of the shapes that you cut out to create a new shape that has 5 vertices? So how can we use 5 of these shapes to create one new shape that has 5 vertices? Well, there's probably a few different ways you can do that. One of those ways would be by using some squares, maybe some triangles. Let's see how many vertices we have so far. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need one more. And let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is exactly what this question asked us. We have 1 vertice, 2 vertices, 3 vertices, 4 vertices, 5 vertices. And if we look at our cheat sheet, we know that a shape that has 5 vertices is called a pentagon. So using 3 different shapes here, we created a pentagon with 5 vertices. Number 2 says use 1 green shape, 1 blue shape, and 1 red shape to create a new shape with 6 sides. So now we're looking for a shape with 6 sides. There's probably more than one way to do this one as well, but here is one example. We have a red shape, we have a green shape, and we have a blue shape. 1 green, 1 blue, 1 red, and we needed 6 sides. So we have 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. And if we look at our cheat sheet, we see that 6 sides is a hexagon. Good luck today.